Suddenly I've become. Do you feel what I feel? Yeah, shoutout guys, another song na naman tayo. So the song is from David and Yunjin from Stray Kids. Yunjin of Stray Kids, and the title of the song is Always Love. So Always Love ang title. So mag-English ako ng konti. Kahit konting English, mag-English tayo, no? Para sa mga ibang lahi, no? So let's start with the chords. This is no capo version. No capo version ito. And for the chords, we have 3 to 4 parts. I'm not sure, baka 5 parts lahat. So let's start. So no capo version. Maybe I'll teach you a with capo version in the next tutorial. So let's see. Let's start. So these are the intro. So I'm not sure if this is the right chord, but you can use this, guys. Intro. So first, 1 2 3 4 5 6 fretboard, 6 fret. So number 6 fret lang yan, guys. 6 fret. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And then ipitin tong 4 strings. So apat na string, 4 strings per this part. Okay, 6 fret. And then 4 string bar this part, and then add this note. So 6 7 8. So with your pinky finger. Yan. So twice, 2 times, okay? Intro. This is for the intro. Then insert the music. So play the chords first. Play ko muna mga chords para sa intro. So the first chord ay G sharp. So at a 4th fret. 4th fret lang yan, 4th fret. And then second chord ay F minor. So F minor. And then third chord ay B flat minor. So gaya ng B minor, third upper string, upper spread. Gaya ng B minor, upper spread. Okay, B flat minor. And then the last chord for the intro ay C sharp minor, 4th fret. Okay. So let's play the whole intro twice. Then F minor, then B flat minor, intro, then C sharp minor, 4th fret. At ang strumming naman ay gitong strum, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, then C sharp minor, 4th fret. So from this then to this, forward, okay, onward. And then pasok ang verses and choruses, same chords, pareho lang mga chords na ginamit, verses and choruses. And insert the verse. So these are the chords. We have 2 lines tayo for verses. So verses and choruses, same chords. Then suddenly, so I'll show you the chords first. Then the last chord or first line ay E flat. So 6 fret yan, 6 fret. Gaya ng B, 6 fret. Okay? So that is the first line. And then second line, na. Then F minor again. Repeat the chords. And then B flat minor. And then the last chord, and C sharp minor. So that is the chords para sa verses and choruses. So play natin ang buo. Let's play the verses and choruses. Suddenly down, na. This is the first line. First line. Then B flat minor. Then E flat, 6 fret. Then second line, na. Then B flat minor, then C sharp minor. Then pre-chorus, na. So pre-chorus naman tayo. Let us proceed for the pre-chorus part. So first chord, na 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 na. Then first chord B flat minor again, start ng pre-chorus, and then E flat, flat, na 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 na. So hold ng E flat minor, no, again play natin, na 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 na. Then that is the pre-chorus, no, yan ang pre-chorus guys. And then chorus, diretso tayo ng chorus. So repeat those chords, the verses chords, repeat. So play natin, na 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 na, do you feel what I feel, na 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 na. Again, 2 lines yan, first line, that is the first line, and then second line, na 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 na. Okay. Then B flat minor, and then the last chord of the second line, C sharp minor. So verses and choruses, again same chords, ulitin lang ang chords na yan. And then tapos nyan ay diretso tayo ng, let's proceed for instrumental. Merong instrumental part. So after second chorus, play natin, no, instrumental, isang linya lang, one line only, one line. So after second chorus, let's play. Then instrumental part. So G sharp again, G sharp, and then F minor again, and then B flat minor again, and then the last chord ay E flat. So that is for the instrumental after ng second chorus, okay? And after that, repeat the chorus chords, repeat, okay? Feel what I feel, na 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 na. Hanggang matapos ang kata. So yan na lahat guys, yan na lahat, no. Maybe I will teach you with capo version sa mga next tutorial natin. Magtuturo tayo ng with capo version naman, no. With capo version naman ang ituturo natin sa mga next tutorial. So that's all. Kaya na bala mag-timing at ilista nyo, i-note para masundan nyo. Yan na lahat. At hanggang dito mga tutorial. See you sa mga next na uploads natin guys. Bye bye guys.